Hi guys, in front of me is MEIZU mBlu 21, and let me show you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So at first open the settings, then find and select apps. Now enroll all apps that you have and mark those apps that you use the most at first, so start with them, then enroll storage and cache and click here on clear cache. Okay, so I recently did it, maybe we'll find some unremoved here. Yep, so just mark on clear cache here. Okay, so it's also deleted here, and once it's done, just restart your device. To reset it, just tap on power button and hold it for a sec, mark restart and wait till it's done. And that's it, that will be all. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.